This bison is licking the salt off of our car. You can literally hear him licking it. He's licking our car.
Look, look.
What?
Tailgater.
That is crazy. Look here. Oh Lord, we're surrounded by bison. This is so crazy. Now we're trapped and we can't move. Look. Well, our car needed washing. Thank you, guys. That is crazy. All right, I'm gonna ease out of here.
Taking a regular drive-through. Oh, they didn't like that.
They make him mad. They make him headbutt me.
Oh, look, this one says, right, what is that doing?
Look at the size of that dude.
I wish I had power windows.
I do.
Oh!
I'm rolling it down. Hey, bud. All right, I'm easing on out of here.
I missed his nose. I was trying to get his nose.
That is crazy. There's the little baby. Hey, buddy. I appreciate the car wash.
This is tag. It's got a red tag on his head.
He's washing my mirror. That is so wild.
Look back up.
We don't have any of these in Whiteville, North Carolina. All right, buddy. Oh boy.
Too many horns.
This is crazy. All right, I'm easing out.
You got your window down. Oh my word.
We're getting the most unbelievable car wash of our lives. Hello, Mr. Buffalo. This is crazy. This is another set.
This is totally oblivious to.
Good boy. Hey, you want to wash my windows? I may not have any paint left on this thing. This is crazy.
I'm not gonna get him in the rearview mirror. That's funny.
We still have to get through a whole gauntlet of them up there. Look at this dude.
I'm in the rearview mirror.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
He's looking that side. I mean, they're doing a thorough wash job on this car. This is crazy.
Don't care less about us.
I wonder what would happen if I honk the horn.
No. Let's see, I got it in the mirror, so.
Look here, look.
Oh.
I felt his breath. I literally felt his breath coming out of his nostrils.
Well.
Ooh, and there's his spittle right on my window.
Mm-hmm.
Proof. All right, I'm gonna ease.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a bunch more here laying down up in front of us.
Get a picture of the nose. All right.
I got plenty of nose shots.
Hello. Salt. I'm so close I can't get it. You can hear it.
Craziest thing I've ever seen. They're probably gonna lick the paint right off the car.
I wish I had power windows. You got more than one?
One right over here by me.
I can get that one better.
Humble my dude.
You got your window down. Oh my word.
We're getting the most unbelievable car wash of our lives. Hello, Mr. Buffalo. This is crazy. This is another set.
This is totally oblivious to.
Good boy. Do you want to wash my windows? I may not have any paint left on this thing. This is crazy.
Oh, I could get him in the rearview mirror. That's fine.
We still have to get through a whole gauntlet of them up there.
Look,
Look at this dude.
I'm in the rearview mirror.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
He's licking that side. I mean, they're doing a thorough wash job on this car.
Good.
This is crazy.
You could care less about us.
I don't know what happened if I honk the horn.
Don't. Let's see, I've got him in the mirror, so.
Look.
Oh,
I felt his breath. I literally felt his breath coming out of his nostrils.
well.
Ooh, there's his spittle right on my window. Proof. Alright, I'm gonna ease.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a bunch more here laying down up in front of us.
I want to get a picture of his nose. Alright, we're done.
I got plenty of nose shots.
Okay. Videoing.
You are? Hey, Bubba.
He could care less what we think. Bye-bye. That was sleeping. Oh, that was over his foot. Look. He's having his fun.
That's amazing. I mean, they can do us a lot of damage.
Hello. What's he saw? He got a big scar on his head. Is he shot? They probably had enough.
This is what a Buffalo car wash looks like. You may not be able to see it, but we had a lot of nasty snow the last few days, and they came around and licked all the salt off of this car. That is hilarious. Licked the windows, doors. They left a few spots. We need to go back and let them finish it up. That's funny.
Footprints.
Wow. That was quite an experience. Got my Georgia Bulldog tag on.